In the realm of neuroscience, there existed a groundbreaking theory known as the genius wave, spearheaded by the enigmatic Dr. James Rivers.
Dr. Rivers was a maverick in the field, renowned for his unorthodox approach to understanding the inner workings of the human mind. The genesis of Dr. Rivers' theory stemmed from his fascination with brainwave patterns, particularly the elusive theta waves. While conventional wisdom dictated that theta waves were merely indicative of relaxation and deep meditation, Dr. Rivers believed they held the key to unlocking the brain's untapped potential for genius-level creativity and problem-solving. His research delved into uncharted territories, combining neurobiology with quantum physics and metaphysical concepts. Dr. Rivers hypothesized that theta waves acted as conduits for accessing the subconscious mind, tapping into a reservoir of innate intelligence that lay dormant within every individual. The crux of the genius wave theory lay in harnessing and amplifying theta wave activity through specialized techniques such as meditation, visualization, and neurofeedback. According to Dr. Rivers, mastering these methods could enable individuals to enter states of heightened consciousness, where creativity flowed effortlessly, and solutions to complex problems revealed themselves with clarity. Despite facing skepticism from his peers in the scientific community, Dr. Rivers remained undeterred in his pursuit of uncovering the mysteries of the human mind. He conducted experiments in his secluded laboratory, often working late into the night, consumed by his quest to validate the genius wave theory. It wasn't until a serendipitous encounter with a struggling artist named Maya that Dr. Rivers' theories would be put to the test. Maya, plagued by creative blockages and self-doubt, sought out Dr. Rivers as a last resort. Intrigued by her predicament, Dr. Rivers took Maya under his wing, introducing her to the transformative power of theta wave activation.
Through a series of intensive training sessions, Maya began to experience profound shifts in her creative abilities.
Ideas flowed freely from her subconscious, manifesting in vibrant paintings and intricate sculptures that captivated audiences and critics alike. With each brushstroke, Maya tapped into a reservoir of creativity she never knew existed, all thanks to Dr. Rivers' pioneering work on the genius wave. As word of Maya's remarkable transformation spread, so too did interest in Dr. Rivers' revolutionary theories.
Skeptics became converts, and soon, the genius wave emerged as a paradigm-shifting concept in the realm of neuroscience and human potential.
Dr. Rivers' legacy endured long after his passing, immortalized in the annals of scientific history as a visionary whose work transcended conventional boundaries and unlocked the door to infinite possibilities hidden within the depths of the mind. In the end, the genius wave was not merely a theory but a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit to soar to unimaginable heights, when guided by the beacon of inspired innovation and unwavering belief in the power of the mind.